Intensive practice 4.3, question 7. Simplify this, right? So here we have log in base 2, log in base 4, log in base 2. Okay, let's just switch all to log base 2 easier. So log 2, 2x plus 1. So this one, if you want to change to log base 2, you put a fraction first. You say log 2, log 2. Oh, I forgot to write the 5. Okay. This x square goes on top. This one goes below. This is how to change base. 4 log 2x. Right. Now, what can we do? Okay, let's look at this. Log 2, 4. 4 is just 2 square. Then we can bring the 2 down here. So it will become 2 log 2, 2. Log 2, 2 is just 1. So 2 times 1 is just 2. So this whole thing will become 2. Okay. So we can write log 2, 2x plus 1 minus 5 over 2 log 2x square plus 4 log 2x. Okay, this one 5 over 2. I write it like this now. Okay. This one is fine, cannot do anything. This number we can bring it up. This one also we can bring it up. So log 2, 2x plus 1 minus log 2 x square times 5 over 2 plus log 2 x power 4. Okay, these two, this one we bring up here, this one we bring up here. Right. Then 2 and 2 can cancel off, so this is just log 2 x power 5. Okay. Now we can simplify. So all of these are log 2. If you have minus, this and this must become divide. So 2x plus 1 over x power 5. And this is plus. Plus means must become times, so it will be on top here. X power 4. Extend this a bit. And x power 5 is here. Oops. Okay. Now we can still continue simplifying it. x4 we cut, x5 we cut, we're left with x. So we get log 2, 2x plus 1 over x. Done. This will be our final answer. That's it.